In this video, I will guide you on how to effortlessly navigate through your TikTok Shop orders, ensuring you have a clear view of your order history. So whether you're tracking shipments, checking reviews, or managing unpaid orders, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process seamless. So without further ado, let's get started. So begin by opening your TikTok account and then click on the Shop button situated at the bottom of your screen. Now, once you're in the Shop section, look for the Orders tab. Clicking on the Orders tab will transport you to a page where you can efficiently manage your orders. Here you will find categories for unpaid orders, those in the process of shipping, items that have been successfully shipped, and those awaiting your review. So for a comprehensive overview, consider selecting the All section which consolidates results from each of these tabs. And that's it. This straightforward process ensures that you can easily stay informed about the status of your TikTok Shop orders, making your shopping experience even more convenient. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.